If you are an IT manager who works for a big company, and the management just bought a new building? If you have many questions in your mind regarding the new project? We have been doing this for 12 years. So, keep calm and watch this video. The first step is the passive infrastructure, including cabling, faceplates, racks, and patch panels. Afterwards, you need to think about your enterprise network, which includes switches for internal connectivity and routers for external connectivity. You may also need to consider wireless networking for your mobile users. A wireless network consists of wireless access points and optionally a controller. One of the most important things to think about is security. This includes infrastructure security using firewalls, UTMs, and identity services. Security also includes endpoint security using software applications such as antivirus applications. In addition, security includes physical security using biometric devices and surveillance solutions, which consists of cameras and back-end servers. To host all your internal applications, you need to build your data center. Data center technologies include servers, switches, and storage. To make sure your data is always protected, you will need to think about backup and recovery. This solution includes a backup and recovery software, and a backup media. For power continuity, you should think about UPSs, or even generators in case you anticipate longer power outages. For your users to be able to communicate efficiently, you will need a collaboration solution, which includes voice and video telephony, chat, voicemail, and contact center solutions. Finally, you need to decide on your user devices, such as computers and screens, laptops, printers and scanners.